Hey there, folks. Have you ever had that sinking feeling when you realize your Visa credit card is missing? Don't panic. I'm here to walk you through the process of replacing it quickly and securely. In this video, we'll cover everything from reporting the loss to getting a new card in your hands. Let's dive right in. First things first, the moment you notice your card is gone, you need to act fast. Contact your card issuer immediately. For Visa cards, you can call the number on the back of your card or use the issuer's app or website. Most major banks like Chase, Bank of America, or Capital One have 24/7 customer service lines. When you call, report the card as lost or stolen. This is crucial because it protects you from any unauthorized charges. By law, your liability for fraudulent transactions is limited if you report it promptly. Once you've reported it, the next step is to request a replacement card. The representative will guide you through this, but you'll likely need to provide some personal information for verification, like your account number, social security number, or answers to security questions. They might ask if you want to close the old account or just issue a new card with the same number. It's up to you, but closing it adds an extra layer of security. While you're waiting for your new card, keep an eye on your account statements. Check for any suspicious activity and dispute any unauthorized charges right away. Also, don't forget to update any automatic payments, like subscriptions or bills, that were linked to the old card. You can do this through your online banking portal or by contacting the service providers directly. Typically, a new card arrives within 5 to 10 business days, depending on your issuer and location. When it shows up, activate it as soon as possible. Most cards require a quick phone call or online activation. And hey, to prevent this hassle in the future, consider using digital wallets or setting up alerts for transactions on your account. There you have it. Replacing a lost Visa credit card doesn't have to be a nightmare. Stay vigilant, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, we're all in this together. Like and subscribe for more practical tips on managing your finances.